Shoot me. I'm gone. No worries, man. No worries. Mate lietuvos, tai vat, tai žiūrit. Na. Eik, tu nacha net neklipinu aš nieko. Reikia pist į bazę palsėt nacha biški. Ari. You wanna do it?
Yeah, we can.
Oh, let's do it. And I take a fucking, I died, man.
You died?
Yeah.
On the study?
I mean, yeah, there was people fighting like close to safe zone. I killed one guy, Hector. And then some other guy was shooting and I was trying to spot him. He flanked me. He killed me with P90, man. Then guess what happened, man? Then I went to spawn in base, took fucking Beowulf. And there on my body. And the guy was still there. He started shooting me, fucking 2 bullets. I killed him. And then they begged me to leave their stuff. I said I only take my shit. I went, I went, I went back to base. I loot my body. I went back to base. I see my tier 4 helmet still there. Oh my god! I went back there. See the guy. He said, "Don't shoot, don't shoot. I want my helmet." I said, "Okay, okay." Fuck,
Right.
crazy man.
Where is my place? Where I left it?